Hello everybody, my name is Miriam and welcome to my class. So today we're going to be exploring swinging and exploring the weight of our body parts, so the weight of our arms that are really quite heavy, the weight of our heads, weight of our legs, and I'm going to teach you a routine that uses that exploration. I'm going to show it to you now so you know what we're working towards. So that's the routine I'm going to teach you. We're going to start off the class with a warm-up, then we'll come to that routine, and then we'll finish off with a nice relaxation and a stretch to finish. Before we get started, just a few safety things to say. Please make sure that you've got a nice safe space to dance in. So maybe push things to the side of a room if you can. Make sure you've got a nice big space, hopefully that you can stretch your arms out. Check the floor, nothing you're going to trip over. Taking socks off if you've got a slippy floor. Make sure you've got a drink of water close by so that you can keep yourself hydrated. Feel free to pause the video at any point to do that. And finally, just take things at your own pace. Do what feels good for your body and the room that you're in, the space that you've got. So if that means making things smaller, changing the direction, not doing something because it feels painful, then that's brilliant. That means you're looking after yourself, and that's what I'd like you to do. That's the end of my safety briefing. Let's get going with class. Great, we're going to start finding this feeling of heaviness. We're going to find it with our arms. So find a nice comfortable stance, it doesn't have to be in parallel. And start swinging your arms from side to side. And you want it to feel so heavy that they're flopping against the side of your body. And you want to have the least amount of effort possible making them move. Good, and gradually we can increase the amount that we are swinging those arms. And again, you're trying to have as little effort as possible going into this. So you've got more power coming into those arms now. And you can follow them with your heads. With nice bent knees. Good, and let's bring it down again, nice and slowly. Coming back down to stillness actually. Getting smaller, smaller, smaller. Until gradually we've stopped. Great, let's bring our feet into parallel position. So feet, knees and hips facing forwards. We're going to bring our shoulders up and we breathe in. Breathing out, we drop our shoulders. And again. Good, this time we're going to bring our arms up towards the ceiling. And we're going to cross our arms over and we're going to hug ourselves like I am here. I'll show you from the side. From here we're going to roll down partway. Keeping our legs straight, and we're going to flop our arms down and then carry on rolling down towards the floor, bending your knees whenever you want to. Good, and rolling back up again. Nice and slowly, head's the last thing to come up. Good, and we go again, breathing in. Crossing arms over, giving yourself a hug, carrying on down. Flopping arms, making them nice and heavy. Rolling down, bending your knees when you need to. It's rolling back up again. And we'll go again, breathing in. And out as we hug ourselves. Flopping arms down, rolling down, making sure your neck is nice and relaxed. You're looking down towards your knees. Good, we're going to stay here a moment, let's bend our knees and straighten them. Your hands don't need to be on the floor, they can be on your ankles or your knees. Let's bend again and straighten. And bend and rolling up. Good. Breathing in again, reaching our arms up, crossing over, hugging ourselves, rolling down, flopping those arms, continuing to roll down. Good. Bending those knees. We're going to come into a crouch position. Great. And we're just going to rock our weight between our hands and our feet. Nice and gently, just getting a little bit of a stretch in our wrists, in our Achilles at the back here. Have a little bit of a circle of wrists, both ways. Good, and let's bring the weight back into our feet, bending our knees, planting our feet into the floor, and slowly we're going to roll up. Nice bent knees, head's the last thing to come up. You've got nice heavy arms. Brilliant, and let's just finish rubbing our hands together. Good, rubbing up one arm, the other arm, rubbing the back of your head, rubbing your chest, your stomach, down one leg, and the other leg. Brilliant, let's carry on. Good, we're going to get a bit more energetic now, finding our parallel position again. We're going to start circling our shoulders back, and we bend our knees as we circle. We do 2 circles of the shoulders. Then hands on the shoulders, we do 2 circles of the elbows, 2 circles of the arms, and reaching up towards the ceiling. From here we're going to swing down. I'm going to show you from the side. So we swing down, we bend our knees, our arms come up behind us. We've got a nice relaxed neck, so our head is pointing down towards the floor. You're looking between your knees. Then you swing back up again. Let me show you that one more time. So we bounce down and back up again. From here, you're going to swing your arms across the body in front of you and back up again. We do those 2 swings twice. So we swing down and up, across and up, down, up, across and up. We drop our arms and then we do the whole thing again. But this time we're circling forwards, circling elbows, circling arms, reaching up. We swing down, up, across, up, down, and across, up, drop, and ready to start again. Let's try that much with some music. Parallel position. Good. Ready for shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Elbows. Arms. Reaching up. And swing. Across. Down. And across. Up. Drop. Good. Ready to go forwards. 5, 6, 7, 8. Forwards. Forwards. Elbows. Elbows. Arms. Arms. Reaching. Up we swing. Down. Across. Down. Cross. Drop. Arms. We're going to go back. 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 Elbows. Arms. Reaching up. And swing. Cross. Down. Cross. And dropping. We go forwards. 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 Elbows. Elbows. Arms. Reaching up. And swing. Across. Swing. And across. Up. Drop. Up. Good. Well done. Good. Hopefully your shoulders are feeling a lot warmer now. Let's carry on. We're going to reach our arms up towards the ceiling for 4. And we're going to press down. As you press down, you're going to start rolling down towards the floor. Come down, you bend your knees and walk out into a plank. Hold it. Walking those hands back and rolling all the way back up again. Head's the last thing to come up. Good, so we're going to start. We go 1, 2, reaching up, 3, 4, we roll, 5, 6, bend, 7, 8, and we walk out there. 1, 2, walking back, 3, 4, rolling up, 5, 6, 7, 8, again, 1, 2, pushing down, 3, 4, rolling down, 5, 6, we walk out, 7, 8, we hold, 1, 2, we walk back, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're rolling up, 8. Good, we do 2 at that speed and then we're going to do 2 faster. So ready, we're going to reach up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1, 2, walking back, 3, 4, 5, 6, we roll up. Okay, let's try that one more time. So we reach up, 1, 2, push, 3, 4, roll down, 5, 6, walking out, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, walking back, 3, 4, rolling up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, have a little bit of a shake. Feel those stomach muscles burn. And let's go. Okay, so 2 slow to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do faster. In our parallel position again. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, rolling down. 5, 6, walking out. 7, 8, hold. 1, 2, walking back. 3, 4, rolling up. 6, 7, 8, again. 1, 2, pushing. 3, 4, rolling down. 5, 6, walking out, 7, 8, hold, 1, 2, walking back, 3, 4, roll up, 6, 7, 8, 2 more at that speed, ready, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, push, 3, 4, rolling, 5, 6, out, 8, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, rolling up, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again, 1, 2, push, 3, 4, roll, 5, 6, walking out, 7, 8, 1, 2, rolling back up again, go faster, ready, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 2, down, 5, 6, out, hold, 1, 2, back, and rolling, up again, up, and down, rolling down, and out, hold, 1, 2, back, rolling up, and again, up, down, rolling, out, hold, back, rolling, up, last one, up, down, out, hold, 1, 2, back, rolling up. Nice. Okay, I've got a phrase to teach you now. Hopefully you've got enough space for it. You might have to change your angle slightly. You can start off doing it small facing me, facing front, but then you might have to try it diagonal or to the side. So let's give it a go. So we're going to start with our arms swinging like this. So we'll just do the arms to start with. So they're going to swing right, left, and they're going to go over the top. Again, right, left, over the top. Let's continue the arms. Then this left arm is going to circle on its own, over the top, and go underneath. Now we really need the legs. So, as we swing right, we're going to step and tap that left foot. Then we're going to step and tap the other way. So we go step, tap, step, tap. Let's just continue this for a little bit. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Good. So continuing on, we step right and left. This time we're going to do a little gallop. You probably won't have a lot of space. I know I don't really. So our legs are coming out, they come in, and they go out again. So let's try that. We step right, tap, left, tap, over the top. So it's just coming out, in, out. and our arms are going over in a windmill together. From here, remember this left arm is going over the top. We're going to reach underneath, and this is a lot easier with the legs actually, because we can bend our knees, do a little body ripple to that side. So we reach over the top, we body ripple down, we've got nice bent knees. Then that arm is going to push you round, and you're going to turn. Okay? Let's go from the beginning again. So we step, tap, gallop, over the top, we swing left, underneath, we go round, and we don't go a whole 360 turn, we turn to face the opposite corner. So we finish facing towards this corner, we're going to turn and we're going to face towards this corner. So for me, I'm looking towards a lamp and a sofa, so that helps me know where I've got to focus on getting. So maybe you can just choose something as well that you're going to really look at to know where you're going. Let's try all of that first bit with some music. Ready? We're going to go right first. We go step, left, over the top, left, underneath, turning, corner. Again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, gallop, over, left arm, underneath, turn. Good, one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, gallop, over, left, underneath, round to the corner. Fantastic. Good. Let's carry on then. So we're facing our corner, hopefully, unless you're having to change the directions, in which case it'll be confusing, but you'll get there. So we're facing our corner, and we've swung round with this arm, and our left leg is ready to step forwards, and our right leg is going to come up, and we'll swing our arms up. From here, we're going to step back, right, left, and our arms are circling in front. So we've turned around, we've faced the corner. We step up with our right leg up. Then we step back and our arms circle. From here, you're falling into a lunge. This can be quite a high lunge, or it can be a lower lunge, depending on how you feel today and how your hips feel and what you want to do. So we're coming down, and I'm using this left hand to support myself here. Let's finish up because we're nearly done. From here, you're going to put some weight into your hands. You can either just lift that leg up a bit, or you can do a little hop handstand. It's not a full handstand though. I don't want any accidents to happen. So we do a little hop, we step back, we lunge into that left leg, and we windmill the arms over. And that is it on that side. So let's go from, we've done our gallop, and we're here, and we're going to swing our left arm over, reach underneath. We're going to turn back towards that right shoulder, and we face that corner. We step on our left, and we bring our right up. We step back, right, left, we come forward into a lunge with our right leg down. We do a little handstand, or a little hop, we come down onto that left leg, and we windmill round. One more time. So we've got our left arm over, underneath, round in the circle, face the corner. We step left, back, forwards. Hop, left, windmill, over. I hope you can remember the beginning of the phrase, because we're going to go from the start. Step, step, gallop, and then carrying on. Ready? Great. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, gallop, over, left arm, underneath, turning. We step up, back, and into our lunge. Back, windmill, over. Brilliant. Again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, over the top. Left arm, underneath, round to the corner. So up, back, and forward, up, down, and windmill, over. One more time, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, step, gallop, over, left, underneath, round to the corner, step, up, back, and forward, up, and windmill, over. Fantastic. So hopefully it was beginning to feel more and more comfortable and more fun as we did it. Few things if you want to challenge yourself. So obviously you may not be able to travel very much because you might not have enough space. If you do have space though, if you have space above you, oh I just hit the ceiling, then maybe try and jump that gallop a little bit more. Really make this effective, reaching underneath, spinning round. Now here we come up, then here I'd like you to see if you can challenge yourself. So really reach that right leg back and fall onto that leg. Have a proper fall, as long as it's safe for you to do that. Reaching up and windmill round. Brilliant. We have got to even ourselves up now because we've done it all on one side, and that means we're going to be sore in random places and not in other places. So let's have a go going towards the left. So we step and step. We gallop towards the left and out. This time it's the right arm that goes up, underneath, and turns around, and we face the other corner. So we were facing this way for the first side. This side we're facing towards this corner. This time we're going to step forwards with our right, and our left leg comes up. We step back, left, right, and we lunge forwards on our left leg. From here we do our little hop. We stand up. This time we go towards the right, and we spiral our arms over towards the left. Let's try that again. So we step, or move over a little bit towards the right so you've got some more space. We step, left, tap, right, tap, gallop, and over. We swing the right arm, underneath, turning, face the other corner. Make sure you've got something else that you can now focus on. For me, I'm looking out my window so I can look at that now. I'm going to step forwards with my, oh my goodness, I've forgotten. I step forwards with my right leg. Good. Then I step back with my left and come down. I do a little hop. I come up over to my right side and windmill my arms over. Let's give it a go. Don't worry if it doesn't go all to plan. You can watch me, and also you can have a little bit of fun. If it doesn't work, it doesn't matter. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, gallop, over. Right arm, underneath, turn, corner, step, right, back on the left, and down. Hop up, and windmill arms. Ready to go again? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, gallop, over. Right arm, underneath, turn, corner, step, right, back on the left, and down. Hop up, and windmill arms. Good. We are going to do it one more time. We're going to do right, going into left, or first side going into second side. So we start off going this way, we'll face the corner, we step forwards with our left, coming up, down, we come and do it, and then we're going to go the other way. Okay? Hopefully my brain's not going to fail me, so I'll be able to talk you through it. Okay, ready to go both sides. We're going to start doing the first side, over to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, gallop, over, left arm, underneath, turn to corner, step, left, and back, forward, up, and windmill, over. Good, ready to go on the next side. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, gallop, over, right arm, underneath, turn, corner, step, right, Great, we're going to finish with a cool down now, and we're going to start our cool down with a bit of a relaxation. So I'd like you to find a place and a position where you feel really comfortable lying down. It can be on your back, it could be on your side. If you need an extra layer or a blanket or a cushion, then grab those now as well. So finding your comfortable position, whatever that may be. And just notice what your breath is doing now. We've been doing a lot of moving around, so it may be quite fast at the moment. See if you can gradually let it lengthen. Let the breathing in become longer. And the breathing out, the exhale, become longer too. You might want to put your hands on your stomach and see if you can feel it inflating and deflating. If you feel comfortable too, then maybe close your eyes and see if you can really focus in on what your body feels like. I want you to imagine that you're lying on a beach. There's lovely warm sand and you're sinking into that sand. We're going to imagine each working through the body, each body part feeling heavy and sinking into that sand. We start with the feet, really relaxing the muscles in the feet, letting them feel really heavy. And let's move up our legs now. So really big heavy muscles here on our legs, especially the top of the legs, letting them feel really, really relaxed. Good. Moving up to the pelvis, feeling really heavy into the floor. Upper back, the lower back if that's touching the floor. The shoulders, the arms, back of the head, whole body feeling really heavy. Good, and in your own time, gradually bringing the knees up towards the chest and just hugging them there for a moment. You can have a little rock from side to side to give your lower back a little massage. Good, and rolling onto your side and slowly coming up to sitting. Brilliant. We're going to take a little bit of a stretch. So we're going to stretch our glutes, our bottom muscles first. So we can take one leg out straight in front of us and the other leg is going to cross over. And we can find a nice twist here. So we're looking away from that knee. If you want to increase the stretch, you can bend that straight leg. Good, and swapping over. So putting the other leg straight in front, taking the other knee bent over and finding that twist with a straight or a bent leg. Hopefully you're feeling that in your glutes. Good, and releasing that. Put your legs out in front of you, reaching your arms up towards the ceiling. And we're going to reach forwards with a nice straight back. Remembering to breathe here. Good, and back up again. We're going to bring our hands down and we're going to walk our hands down as far as they can go. Keeping a nice straight back, keeping your head in line. So you might be touching your legs, your feet, floor. Finding a nice stretch in your hamstrings. walking those hands back up again. Gonna take one arm across the body, hook it in the other elbow, finding a nice stretch of the shoulders. Our arms have done a lot of swinging today, so probably feeling a little bit tired. Good, and taking that up, so we're finding another stretch here. So our hand is on our back. Good, and taking the other arm across, hooking it in the elbow. Good, and stretch, now hand on the back. Good, releasing it. We're going to come into a crouch and slowly rolling up. Head's the last thing to come up. Nice bent knees, rolling up through the spine. Good, and let's take one leg behind us. So we've got a nice straight back leg and a bent front leg. We want our feet to be facing forwards. Be a bit difficult to balance sometimes, so you can always hold on to a wall. Good, hopefully you're feeling that in your calf muscle there. We're going to take that back leg up and come into a stretch of our quadriceps, our thigh muscles. Finding a balance, helping with your arm, holding onto a wall, holding your ear, whatever you need to do. Good, and swapping legs, so taking the other leg back, nice straight back leg, bent front leg, feet facing forwards. Good, bringing that back leg up into a quad stretch. Trying to look straight in front of you. Good, and give both legs a shake. Brilliant, we're going to finish with 3 swings. So we're going to reach our arms up towards the ceiling, we can come into a rise, be as tall as we can, and we're going to swing down. And again. Last one. And drop the arms. Well done, everybody. So your creative task for this class is to carry on exploring this idea of swinging and exploring the weight of different body parts. And we started to explore it in our routine. See if you can combine the swinging with some spins around. We had some falls, exploring the weight of different body parts as you fall in a controlled way and catch yourself again. See if you can have a play with those things. So you can add on to the routine that I taught you, or you can make your own one. Just make sure that you do a bit of a warm up and a cool down either side of your choreography so you're looking after your body. Have fun with it.